Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video for the subject fluid mechanics, in fluid dynamics we are going to discuss the difference between venturimeter and orifice meter. Now, if you see the differences, a venturimeter is a device which is inserted in a pipeline to measure the incompressible fluid flow rates, and it consists of a converging section which reduces the diameter to between 1/2 to 1/4 of the pipe diameter. Okay. This is followed by a diverging section. So, this pressure difference between the two positions is just before the venturi, and at the throat of the venturi it is measured by a differential manometer. The working of venturimeter is based on the Bernoulli's principle, and that is when the velocity heads increases in an accelerated flow, there is a corresponding reduction in the piezometric head. The orifice meter is an opening usually round located in the side wall of the tank or a reservoir for measuring the flow of liquid. The main feature of orifice meter is that the most of the potential energy of the liquid is converted into kinetic energy of the free jet using the or by issuing through a orifice. So, the major differences of venturimeter and orifice meter are as follows. The venturimeter can be used for measuring the flow rates of incompressible flows, gases with low pressure variations as well as liquids, whereas orifice meters are generally used for measuring the flows of liquids. Venturimeter is installed in a pipeline only and the accelerated flow through the apparatus is subsequently decelerated to the original velocity at the outlet of the venturimeter. The flow continues through the pipeline. In orifice meter, the entire potential energy of the fluid is converted into kinetic energy, and the jet discharges freely into the open atmosphere. So, in venturimeter, the flow of velocity is measured by noting the pressure difference between the inlet and the throat of the venturimeter, whereas in the orifice meter, the discharge velocity is measured by using a pitot tube or by the trajectory method. So, these are the main differences between the venturimeter and orifice meter. These are the references. Thank you friends, thank you very much.